Hello everyone and welcome to Insider Financial Talk Stocks. My name is Alex Carlson. I will be your host today, the editor-in-chief of InsiderFinancial.com, and in this video we will recap today's market action and discuss our game plan for tomorrow. But first up, to get our market moving reports on top small caps, click that link in the description or go to signup.insiderfinancial.com or sign up with your email on any of the pop-ups on InsiderFinancial.com. After you sign up with your email, you can then sign up with your mobile number. Mobile is the fastest way to get our reports, and it works for all numbers worldwide. Simply enter your country code first, followed by your number. For US and Canada, be 1 plus area code and number. Never begin the format with 0. It will not work. And after you sign up, you will get a welcome email, which includes a free copy of the Insider Financial Guide to Penny Stocks ebook. Our ebook, our email service, and our text messaging service are all free service from InsiderFinancial.com. We do not run any paid subscription service whatsoever, no Discord rooms or Telegram chat groups. Well, guys, stocks on Wednesday closed in the red. It was a tumultuous day with the more rate-sensitive 2-year Treasury yield hitting a level not seen since 2006. The moves came after Fed Chair Jay Powell highlighted the recent strength in economic activity and said that a soft landing was not a baseline expectation. Moreover, the central bank's updated dot plot reinforced a scenario of higher rates for longer. Earlier, the Monetary Policy Committee kept interest rates steady as widely anticipated. The Dow, which had scale gains of as much as 0.7% earlier thanks to an advance in IBM on a bullish rating from RBC Capital, eventually ended 0.22% lower. The benchmark S&P 500 retreated 0.92%, while the Nasdaq put in the worst performance with a 1.44% decline. Of the 11 S&P sectors, 7 ended in negative territory, with heavyweight growth sectors, communication services and technology, the top losers, consumer staples and real estate, the top gainers. Treasury yields were up, with 2-year yield, which is more sensitive to rate decisions, showing a bigger reaction. The longer end 10-year yield was up 10 basis points to 4.39%. Traders were near certain that the central bank would hold rates steady while leaning towards a bias for further rate hikes. The Fed stuck to the script by keeping the Fed funds rate at 5.25% to 5.5%. However, the Fed's updated summary of economic projections, known as the dot plot, signaled one more rate hike this year along with fewer rate cuts in 2024. Powell at the press conference said that 7 Fed officials believe rates should be held steady for the rest of the year, while 12 believe that one more rate hike was warranted. Powell also noted that the recent jobs report and the last 3 inflation readings were encouraging. However, he said that the economic activity had been stronger than all expectations and that a soft landing was not a baseline expectation. Powell indicated that while a soft landing is still possible, it should not be considered the baseline expectation. This struck fear in market participants that we could be in for a harder landing than anticipated. This might even result in a true recession. For investors across all across the spectrum, this is not a pleasant thought. In other words, the Fed will keep its foot on the pedal and likely crash the economy. That's what Powell was saying today at his press conference. In after hours, FedEx rose 4% after the close. After its sales forecast beat estimates, FedEx is seen as a barometer of global economic strength, and it is one of the key earnings reports that the Fed does watch. For the current fiscal year, the company forecasts flat revenue year over year compared to the prior forecast of flat to low single-digit % revenue growth. That compares to the negative 0.17% average analyst estimate. Earnings per share of $17 to $18.50 compared to the consensus of $17.71 and compared to the prior forecast of $16.50 to $18.50. For the first quarter, EPS of $4.55 beat the average analyst estimate by 80 cents, while revenue of $21.7 billion missed by $130 million. Shares of FedEx are up nearly 42% year to date. In terms of small caps, Penny pumps are where the action is right now, and guys, these are one and done. These are day trade only. Holding overnight is very, very risky. I mean, look at LIFW was up 64% today. Last Friday was the big runner, was up 237%. Gave back all those gains in the next 2 days, and then it's pumping again. On absolutely no news. CNXA was the big pump yesterday, was up 160%. Today it's down 32%. Again, look at the price action. It's right in front of you. It's telling you these are day trades only. Don't fall into the bull-bear battle and the diamond hands, paper hands BS. It's all about making money. Nothing else matters. At the end of the day, all that matters is your P&L, no one else's. Just focus on yours. If you get in and you do a good trade and you make money, that's all that matters. Focus on hitting singles and doubles right now. Don't go looking for those home runs. EBET pumping again, up closed up 24%, just over 6 cents. This one was as low as 270. Just under 3 cents back in August, double here, but it's again got as high as 11.20 in August, but it's been just consolidating around here. Let's see if they can pump it again up to 11 cents. Again, those three are running on no news. But today, some news that we were out. First up is EVAX was up 41%. The company partners with a pharmaceutical company, Afrigen Biologics, to develop novel mRNA vaccine against gonorrhea. So this is big news. There is rumors of a strain going around that is resistant to antibiotics. So again, for all you guys that are sexually active, single guys, I'm fortunately married. I don't have to worry about this problem. This could be good news for some of you guys. FRTX out with news that the board approved its plan of liquidation dissolution. The stock today closed at $89.60. But if you look at the news here, the company intends to make cash distributions currently estimated to be between $5 million and $7 million, or 84 cents to $1.17 per share to shareholders following shareholder approval and the filing of the certificate of dissolution. So basically, the company's winding down, going to be liquidating 84 cents to $1.17. Closed at 89 cents. You're going to get some arbitrageurs in here trying to gauge, if it's going to come in at the higher end of the spectrum at $1.17. You could buy it at 89 cents. Again, not a big gain here, but again, this is something that the arbitrageurs will be focusing on. Lastly, guys, is NWBO. Great chart here. Last month rallying off 40 cents. It's a double here, 85 cents. Again, this is one of the few OTCs that is actually running right now. OTC has just been a broken exchange. We don't even cover really OTCs anymore. It's just not worth it. Nothing's there of any interest except right now NWBO. Talked about BIXT. That's another one worth taking a look at. But NWBO put out news last week. That it appoint Dr. Linda Lau. She joined the company's scientific advisory board. She was the principal investigator of the phase 3 trial of EVAX for the treatment of glioblastoma. She's the chair of Department of Neurosurgery at UCLA, professor and director of the UCLA Brain Tumor Program. So again, this is big news. The company's making moves. This one here has been, all over the place. Was as high as, last November, $1.27, corrected all the way down to 40 cents. We're here at 85 cents here. I mean, if you go on, iHub, which I don't even really bother with anymore, but it is consistently the most talked about name on that message board, NWBO. So There's a loyal shareholder base, and they've stuck through this company through thick and thin. So again, it's certainly one worth paying attention to. NWBO. Let's see if we can get a breakout above $1 over the next few trading days. So let's keep this one on our watch list. And for tomorrow, and like what we do every day for our subscribers, we will be screening the pre-market. If we see anything worthwhile, we will send out an email and text to subscribers. Again, it's a completely free service, no obligation, guys. We do not run any paid subscription service whatsoever. And what we do here at InsiderFinancial.com is put stocks on your radar that have the potential for outsized moves. As I have repeatedly stated, there are always opportunities each day in the markets. The important thing is identifying which stocks to be in to grab that money. The key is trading green, not red. We are looking for those momentum plays that have catalysts. It's all about finding the momentum before it happens and riding that wave. That's what we're doing here at InsiderFinancial.com. And to get our small cap reports, we cover low floats, short squeezes, recent IPOs, biotech FDA plays, AI stocks, EV stocks, lithium stocks. Click that link in the description or go to signup.insiderfinancial.com or sign up any of the pop-ups on insiderfinancial.com. No spam, your info is never shared, unsubscribe anytime. You can even sign up just to see the level of research we do here at insiderfinancial.com and unsubscribe. Finally, Insider Financial and I are not investment advisors. This video does not provide investment advice. Always do your research, make your own investment decisions, or consult with your nearest financial advisor. This video is not a solicitation or recommendation to buy, sell, or hold securities. This video is our opinions meant for informational and educational purposes only and does not provide investment advice. Past performance is not indicative of future performance. Thanks for watching. Remember to smash that like button and hit the notification bell to be notified when a new video is uploaded. Have a great Thursday, traders. Bye-bye.